Hello everyone, welcome to Global Online University. In this video, I have shared most important MCQ on communication unit, which is really important for your upcoming exam 2021. Students, this MCQ will help you to clear your all the doubt about the communication unit. So do watch my whole video. And one more thing I want to tell you that every day at 6 p.m. I am uploading my video on our channel, that is on the Global Online University. So do visit our channel every day at 6 and do watch my video and achieve your dream. Before going ahead, I want to tell you that we the Global Online University has brought for you one day revision PDF for UGC NET paper 1, in which you will get more than 2000 MCQ which will covering current affair, previous year question, most accepted MCQ, which will be definitely help you to clear your exam. Within just one single day you can study this question and you can boost your preparation. If you want to get the access of the PDF, then you can contact on given number. Please do WhatsApp message. The fee of this is just rupees 499. So please join. Students, if you are belonging to given category, that is from the geography, economics, commerce, social work, English, management, Hindi and law, then I have one good news for you. Global Online University is offering theory plus MCQ for paper 2 of this subject. This is a great opportunity for the one who is preparing for the upcoming exam 2021, and we are offering this course just for rupees 999. To join, contact on given number and do not forget to subscribe our channel for the more update. What is a technique that involves changing text method so that it is similar to the main source? In a given question, they ask you, given which is a technique that involves changing a text method so that it is similar to the main source. And the options given are note taking. Note taking is a practice of recording information from a different source or a platform. Here we can take an example. When teacher is taking a lecture in a class, some student may have a habit of taking down the notes what she is teaching there. Then is the summarizing. Summarizing is defined as taking a lot of information and creating a constant version that convert a main point. Here the example of summarizing is at the end of the lecture, we may summarize the lecture in the short note so that when we look at that point, we will understand the whole lecture. Then is the press writer. Press release is a written communication that reports specific but brief information about an event, circumstances, product launch and other happening. And the last option is paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is a technique that involves changing a text method so that it is similar to the main source. Paraphrasing involves changing a text so that it is quite dissimilar to the source yet retain all the meaning. Paraphrasing requires a text to be altered in a way in which make it different from the original while keeping the same meaning. Here I am explaining you all the option only because if any question came on any of the option, you will be able to answer that question. So please don't ignore the option. Here the correct answer for this question is option number B. Paraphrasing is a technique that involves changing text matter so that it is similar to the main source. As a teacher, select the best option to ensure your effective presence in the classroom. Even in a given question, they said, as a teacher, select the best option from the following to ensure your effective presence in the classroom. And the options given are use of peer command, making aggressive statement, adoption of well-established posture, and being authoritarian. Here the most suitable answer for this question will be option number C. Adoption of well-established posture. Every communicator has to experience. In a given question, they ask you every communicator has to experience and the options given are manipulated emotions. Second option is anticipatory excitement. Anticipatory describe the feeling you get when you know what's coming. It can also describe something that happened because something else is going to be happen later. Like that anticipatory excitement you feel the night before a big party. It is an example of anticipatory excitement. The third option is the issue of homophilips. And the last option is status isolation. Dislocation. Dislocation is a situation in which something such as a system, process, or a way of a life is a greatly disturbed or prevented from continuing as a normal. For this question, the correct answer is option number B. Every communicator has to experience anticipatory excitement. Effectiveness of communication can be traced from which of the following? In a given question, they ask, effectiveness of the communication can be traced from which of the following? The options given here are attitude survey. Attitude survey is done to understand and evaluate the student. Second option is performance record. How the student is performing in the class or in the academic, the record should be maintained. The third option is student's attendance, whether the student is attending the lecture or not. And the last option is selection of communication channel. From this, you have to select the correct code. The answer for this question will be option number B, that is A, B and C. Attitude survey, performance record and student attendance. Selection of communication channel is not necessary in the while tracing the effectiveness of the communication. The mode of communication that involve a single source of transmitting information to a large number of a receivers simultaneously is called, and the options given are group communication, mass communication, intrapersonal communication and interpersonal communication. Here the group communication is an act of sending and receiving messages to a multiple people in the group. Second option is mass communication. Mass communication is a process of importing and exchanging information through the mass media to a large segment of the population. Here we can take an example of radio, television, social networking. Then is intrapersonal communication. Intrapersonal communication a process है in which individuals communicate within themselves. And last option is interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication in which exchange of the information or an idea and a feeling between the two or more people through the verbal as well as a non-verbal method. Here the answer for this question is option number B. The mode of communication that involve a single source of transmitting information to a large number of a receiver simultaneously is called mass communication. Letter, email, telephone are an example of. In a given question they ask you letter, email, telephone are an example of which of the following. Here the first option is message. A message is a discrete unit of the communication intended by a source of a consumption by some recipient or a group of recipient. Here we can take an example of a message is when we are doing chatting with our friend, we are sending messages to our friend. The second option is feedback. Feedback is given at the end of the lecture or at the end of the speech to understand whether the audience understood or not. Okay. Then the third option is channel. The channel is a medium through which a message can be sent to its intended audience. For example, phone call, text messages, email, video, radio and social media are all type of communication channels. And the last option is encoding. Encoding is the process of converting data from one form to the another. Here the correct answer for this question is option number C. Letter, email, telephone are examples of channel. In the basic communication process, the sender put a message in a word and transmit it to the receiver who interpret the message. The telephone model of communication was first developed in the area of, in the given question that they ask you the telephone model of the communication was developed in which of the theory? And the options given are technological theory. The theory of technology attempt to explain the factor that shape technological innovation as well as the impact of a technology on society and culture. Second option is dispersion theory. Dispersion theory concerns the constraints that govern constant, the phonetic differences that can distinguish words in language. The third option is minimal effect theory. Minimal effect hypothesis state that political compile only the marginal persuade and convert voter. And the last option is information theory. Information theory is a scientific study of the quantification, storage and the communication of digital information. Here the answer for this question will be option number D. The telephone model of communication was first developed in the area of information theory. Ideological code shape our collective. And the options given are production. Production is a process of converting the raw material into the final good. The second option is perception. It's an identification, interpretation of a sensory information in order to present and understand the presented information or the environment. Then is a consumption. Consumption is defined as a spending for a acquisition of the utility. The example here we can take we buy the product for the consumption. There is a creation, the action or the process of bringing something into the existence. The answer for this question will be option number B. Ideological code shape our collective perception. The term yellow journalism refer to. In a given question they ask you yellow journalism term refer to, and the options given are sensational news about the terrorism and violence, sensationalism and extragation to attract reader or viewers, sensational news about the art and a culture, and sensational news print in yellow paper. Yellow journalism usually refer to sensationalist or a biased stories that newspaper present as a objective truth. The correct answer for this question is option number B. The term yellow journalism refer to sensationalism and extragation to attract reader or viewer. Identify the important element of a teacher has to take cognizance of while addressing student in the classroom, and the options given are avoidance of proximity. Proximity control in predominantly used to prevent the disruptive behavior. Students generally get uncomfortable when the teacher is standing in a close proximity to them. So standing close is generally correct the behavior without having to get into the verbal altercation with the student. Then is voice modulation. Voice modulation means the tone of voice that helps the audience to clearly hear and understand the lecture, presentation and the speech delivered by the speaker. Then is repetitive pause, to stop and think about something carefully or to have a doubt about the something that has going to ask her for help. And last option is fixed posture. The correct answer for this question is option number B. Voice modulation is an important element a teacher has to take cognizance of while addressing students in the classroom. Before winding up for the lecture, I want to tell you one more important thing. Students Global Online University is offering course for the NET/SET exams. इसके डिटेल आपके सामने ही है. We are providing these courses only for ₹999. To join, please contact on given number, or you can also download our app where you will find the free trials. Students, we are providing key for your success. So do join and achieve your target.